Global Zootrition and you're looking to do an update, you want to first uninstall the previous version by going into the control panel. Every version of Windows is a little different, but you're going to be going into Programs and Features. And when you see the Global Zootrition listing, click on that and click on the uninstall. When you're installing it, you will be downloading a zip file from either the website or a Dropbox, and you double click the zip file. It has the version, this is 2.0A, and then inside is another folder. You can extract that out to your desktop. And once you've done so, inside that folder, not to be confused with the zip folder, you're going to double click and you're going to double click the setup. You may get a message that Microsoft has to download some other components, and generally as long as it says it's from Microsoft, it's okay to do that. I'm going to go ahead and do an install. It's pretty simple, quick installation. And we're done. And the program launches itself automatically. If I want to, I can, depending on the version of Windows, you're generally going to find the Global Zootrition icon right in your Start menu. You will have received a username and password. And you add that, and now you're up at the main menu.